Okay, so if you want, you can get yourself a celery container. Okay, just chop them up and put them in here. Just rinse off the dirt. Hi, Tathy. And then I just use 3. Rinse them off. You have to clear away. This is just regular celery. I didn't get the organic. This is good for me. The organic side I like twice as much. I'd rather have a little chemicals and no bark. Right? That's my preference. And then I'll chop these up. Okay, so I just chopped these up with a small knife. Now I'm going to put them in the blender thing here. Okay, so this is my second day, and if you try to blend this with no water, it don't work. Okay, bring it over to the blender. Make sure it's seated. See how that don't work at all. So you got to put a little water in there. Okay, so I only put last night I only put maybe a quarter cup of water, maybe an eighth a cup of water, just enough to get it to blend. Put it on high. Okay. Okay. Okay, so then I just put it in one of these things overnight, and I leave it out. I don't bother. Put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so I guess that's just 1 cup. Then I eat it with a spoon. Okay, there's just a little left over. If you got one of these things, you can use this to scrape it off the sides. Okay. Okay. Okay, then cleanup is real easy. You just rinse it. You don't have to use soap or nothing. Rinse it out. Okay, that's all. Now, of course, if you got a juicer, juicing is supposed to be better, right? But this is that really makes it convenient. I have a juicer, but it's still in the box. I haven't taken it out of the box yet. So maybe after I get into this for a while, I'll get the juicer out, do a video on it. Now, I did that. I ate one of these. I ate one of these this morning, and it was fine. It tasted good. It tastes like celery. About 2 hours later, I definitely had to go to the bathroom. And then I'd say about 3 o'clock I had to go again. And then 7 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So, even after eating all day, you know. I had coffee in the morning, oatmeal, 2 bologna sandwiches for lunch, 2 eggplant sandwiches for supper, and I still had to go to the bathroom. So this stuff definitely gets in your system. Okay, see ya. Bye.